Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be learning how to blend two colors in acrylics, which is the permanent green light and the white. So I've got these two tubes from Camel and I'm going to show you a very quick demo of how to do a very nice smooth blend. So the first step is to take acrylic sheet. I'm using about 440 GSM sheet, or anything between like above 400 is good enough for acrylics. Below that would be pretty difficult, so I'm using some masking tape, putting it down, and then we'll use our colors and I'll show this to you in real time. So I'm taking a squeeze of the permanent green light, and then I'm going to take a squeeze of the white and add it directly onto the sheet. If you do not have tubes and you have bottles, then that's fine. Just take a little bit, add it onto your palette, and then pick up some brush and then blend it. So I'm using a flat brush. I'm just wetting it a little to just get it activated so it's not too dry, and then we will directly start painting. So you have to observe how my hand goes. It goes in a swift motion left to right, basically the direction that you want your brush strokes to be seen. So in this I want my brush strokes to be more horizontal, so that's why I'm going in that direction. I picked a little bit of white because my green seemed too opaque, too less opaque, sorry, so my paper was seen through, so I didn't want so much of my paper to be seen through, which is why I picked up a little bit of white and blended it on the top. Now I'm just blending that little bit of area where the green will meet the white, and then we will continue the same swift motion till the bottom. So just remember, you should not overdo this. Don't go overboard. If you're happy with the result, leave it at that point. If you try to do too much, the whole thing would just become one color. If it does become like that, it's only acrylic, so you can always wait for it to completely dry and then add a little bit more color and then change the entire thing. So that's the best part about acrylics. I really love how this blend has come. I hope it was useful for you to figure out how to do the blending of these two colors, and I'll see you soon for the next video. Bye bye.